Welcome to Sunday Technology Session with Swastik Kruti, Kendriya Vidyalaya. Today our agenda. Friends, this topic is divided into several parts. This is the first part. Today in this part we are going to learn about Digital India, vision, main pillars of Digital India, applications and web portals, Meghraj Cloud, BharatNet and Aadhaar. Friends, before going into video, I wish to share some of bitter truth in our society of India. Most of us daily or often hear the word Digital India, but frankly most of us don't know what is Digital India. We become patriotic 1 or 2 days in a year or on special occasions and shout always Make in India, Make in India. But we always ignore our Indian products and applications. So in this video I will try to explain simple and briefly about Digital India and its applications and web portals etc. Proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind. Please watch the video till end. Let us start the video. What is Digital India? Digital India is a movement launched by the Government of India from 2015 to ensure the government services are made available to all citizens electronically by improved online infrastructure, various applications, web portals and by increasing internet connectivity. This making our India digitally empowered in the field of technology. Vision of Digital India: broadband highways in India, universal access to mobile connectivity, public internet access program, e-governance that reforming government through technology, e-Kranti that is electronic delivery of government services. At the last, information to all. Main pillars of Digital India and web portals. Digital India achievement depending on several programs constructed on many applications and web portals to reach all citizens in India. We will discuss one by one briefly to know the complete shape of Digital India. Number 1. Meghraj Cloud. Government cloud services for all departments of central state UTS, universities and colleges in India with integration of National Data Centers NDC, State Data Centers SDC, Railtel, National Knowledge Network NKN, State Wide Area Networks SWAN. We can optimum utilize large scale of IT infrastructure already having with government departments. It provides common application for all central, state and UT governments. Number 2. BharatNet, biggest rural telecom project in the world to connect all villages and all areas of India with broadband with optical fiber cable. Number 3. Aadhaar. We all know Aadhaar is a unique identification number of Indian citizen. It is the biggest biometric identification platform in the world. It is powerful tool roll over and promoting government programs in social, financial and transparent. It eliminates fake identity in India. So friends, I hope you have learnt about Digital India, web portals. Next week, part 2, we will discuss some more interesting Digital India applications like FASTag, Swayam, Khoya Paya.